Welcome! If you're looking to automate your workflows, Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and services. But with multiple plans available, Basic, Pro, and Enterprise, choosing the right one can be confusing. In this video, we'll break down the differences between these plans, helping you decide which is best for your needs. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a growing business, or a large organization, understanding what each plan offers is key to maximizing your productivity and budget. Let's dive in and explore what Zapier's plans have in store for you. Before we compare the plans, let's quickly cover what Zapier actually does. Zapier is an online automation platform that lets you connect different apps and services without any coding. By setting up Zaps, you can automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing manual errors. For example, you can automatically add new email subscribers to a spreadsheet or send Slack notifications when you receive a new order. Zapier supports thousands of apps, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. Choosing the right Zapier plan is crucial because it determines the features, automation limits, and support you'll receive. If you pick a plan that's too basic, you might hit usage caps or miss out on advanced features. On the other hand, overpaying for a plan you don't need can waste resources. By understanding your workflow requirements and business goals, you can select a plan that fits perfectly, ensuring smooth automation and optimal value. Zapier offers three main plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. Each plan is designed for a different type of user, from individuals just starting out to large organizations with complex automation needs. The Basic plan is ideal for simple automations and limited usage. The Pro plan unlocks more advanced features and higher limits, while the Enterprise plan is tailored for businesses that require robust security, support, and customization. Let's take a closer look at each plan. The Basic plan is perfect for individuals or small teams who are new to automation. If you only need to automate a handful of simple tasks and don't require advanced features, this plan is a cost-effective way to get started. It's great for freelancers, side hustlers, or anyone looking to dip their toes into workflow automation without a big investment. However, it does come with some limitations, which we'll discuss next. With the Basic plan, you get access to core Zapier features. You can create simple Zaps with single-step automations, connect popular apps, and run a limited number of tasks per month. However, multi-step Zaps, premium app integrations, and advanced logic are not included. This plan is best for straightforward workflows that don't require complex branching or data manipulation. While the Basic plan is affordable, it does have its drawbacks. You're limited to single-step Zaps, which means you can only automate one action per trigger. There's also a cap on the number of tasks you can run each month, and you won't have access to premium apps or advanced support. If your needs grow, you may quickly outgrow this plan and need to upgrade. The Pro plan is designed for users who need more power and flexibility. If you're running a small business, managing multiple workflows, or need to automate more complex processes, the Pro plan is a great fit. It's also suitable for teams that require premium app integrations, multi-step Zaps, and advanced features like filters and paths. Let's see what the Pro plan brings to the table. With the Pro plan, you unlock multi-step Zaps, allowing you to automate entire workflows with several actions triggered by a single event. You also gain access to premium apps, advanced logic like filters and paths, and higher monthly task limits. This plan supports more complex automations, making it ideal for businesses looking to streamline operations and boost productivity. One of the standout features of the Pro plan is the ability to use advanced automation tools. With filters, you can set conditions for when actions should run. Paths let you create branching workflows based on different triggers or data. These features allow you to build sophisticated automations that adapt to your business logic, saving even more time and reducing manual intervention. The Pro plan offers a significantly higher monthly task limit compared to the Basic plan. This means you can run more automations without worrying about hitting a cap. For businesses with moderate to high automation needs, this is a crucial advantage, ensuring your workflows keep running smoothly throughout the month. Another key benefit of the Pro plan is access to premium apps. These are integrations with popular business tools that are not available on the Basic plan. If your workflows depend on apps like Salesforce, Shopify, or QuickBooks, the Pro plan is essential. This access expands your automation possibilities and helps you connect the tools you rely on most. While the Pro plan is powerful, it's not without limits. There are still caps on the number of tasks and Zaps you can run, though they're much higher than the Basic plan. Some enterprise-level features, like advanced security and dedicated support, are reserved for the Enterprise plan. If your business is scaling rapidly or has strict compliance needs, you may need to consider upgrading. The Enterprise plan is built for large organizations with complex automation needs, strict security requirements, and a need for advanced support. If your business handles sensitive data, operates at scale, or requires custom solutions, the Enterprise plan is the way to go. It's designed to provide maximum flexibility, control, and peace of mind for mission-critical workflows. With the Enterprise plan, you get everything in the Pro plan, plus advanced features like single sign-on, SSO, user provisioning, and enhanced security controls. You also receive priority support, onboarding assistance, and access to custom integrations. This plan is ideal for organizations that need to manage multiple users, enforce compliance, and ensure reliable automation at scale. Security is a top priority for enterprise customers. The Enterprise plan includes advanced security features such as SSO, audit logs, and granular permissions. These tools help organizations comply with industry regulations and protect sensitive data. If your business operates in a regulated industry or handles confidential information, these features are essential. With the Enterprise plan, you receive priority support and dedicated onboarding assistance. This means faster response times, personalized help, and guidance as you set up complex automations. For large teams or organizations with unique requirements, having access to expert support can make a significant difference in the success of your automation projects. The Enterprise plan offers the highest level of customization. You can request custom integrations, tailor workflows to your organization's needs, and manage users at scale. This flexibility is crucial for businesses with unique processes or those that require integrations not available out of the box. Zapier's team works with you to ensure your automation solutions fit perfectly. While the Enterprise plan is the most comprehensive, it comes at a higher price point and may include features you don't need if your organization is smaller. It's best suited for businesses that truly require advanced security, support, and customization. For smaller teams, the Pro or Basic plans may offer better value. Pricing is a major factor when choosing a Zapier plan. The Basic plan is the most affordable, making it accessible for individuals and small teams. The Pro plan costs more but offers significantly more features and higher limits. The Enterprise plan is priced for large organizations and includes custom quotes based on your needs. Always consider your budget and the value each plan provides before making a decision. Let's summarize the key features of each plan. The Basic plan offers single-step zaps and limited tasks. The Pro plan adds multi-step zaps, premium apps, and advanced logic. The Enterprise plan includes everything in Pro, plus advanced security, support, and customization. Understanding these differences will help you match your needs to the right plan. Each plan has different limits on the number of zaps and tasks you can run. The Basic plan has the lowest limits, suitable for light use. The Pro plan increases these limits, supporting more complex and frequent automations. The Enterprise plan offers the highest limits, designed for organizations running mission-critical workflows at scale. Support is another important consideration. The Basic plan offers standard support, which may involve longer response times. The Pro plan provides faster support and access to more resources. The Enterprise plan includes priority support and dedicated onboarding, ensuring you get help when you need it most. Security features vary by plan. The Basic and Pro plans offer standard security, suitable for most small businesses. The Enterprise plan adds advanced security controls, such as SSO and audit logs, which are essential for organizations with strict compliance requirements. Now that we've compared the plans, how do you decide which one is right for you? Start by assessing your automation needs. If you're just starting out or have simple workflows, the Basic plan is a great entry point. If you need more power, flexibility, and integrations, the Pro plan is likely your best bet. For large organizations with complex requirements, the Enterprise plan is the way to go. Let's look at a real-world example. Sarah is a freelancer who wants to automate her client onboarding process. She only needs to connect a few apps and run simple automations. For Sarah, the Basic plan is sufficient, offering the features she needs at a low cost. As her business grows, she can always upgrade to a higher plan. Next, consider Mike, who runs a small e-commerce business. He needs to automate order processing, inventory updates, and customer notifications. The Pro plan is ideal for Mike, as it supports multi-step zaps, premium app integrations, and advanced logic. This helps him save time and scale his operations efficiently. Finally, let's look at a large organization, Acme Corp. They handle sensitive customer data and require strict security, user management, and custom integrations. The Enterprise plan is the best fit, providing advanced security, priority support, and the ability to customize workflows at scale. This ensures their automation is reliable and compliant. As your business grows, your automation needs may change. Zapier makes it easy to upgrade your plan at any time. If you find yourself hitting task limits or needing more advanced features, you can switch to a higher plan with just a few clicks. This flexibility ensures you always have the right tools for your current stage of growth. If your needs decrease or you want to save on costs, you can also downgrade your Zapier plan. This is helpful for businesses with seasonal fluctuations or changing priorities. Just be aware that downgrading may limit your access to certain features or reduce your task limits, so plan accordingly. Switching between Zapier plans is straightforward. You can manage your subscription from your account dashboard, making it easy to adapt as your needs evolve. Whether you're upgrading for more features or downgrading to save money, Zapier's flexible plan management puts you in control. To choose the right plan, start by listing the apps you want to connect and the workflows you want to automate. Estimate how many tasks you'll run each month and whether you need advanced features like multi-step Zaps or premium apps. This assessment will help you match your requirements to the right Zapier plan. One of Zapier's strengths is scalability. As your business grows, you can move from Basic to Pro to Enterprise, unlocking more features and higher limits as needed. This ensures your automation platform grows with you, supporting your business at every stage. Zapier supports thousands of apps, but access to some integrations depends on your plan. Basic users can connect popular apps, while Pro and Enterprise users unlock premium integrations. If your workflow relies on specific business tools, check their availability before choosing a plan. Collaboration is important for many businesses. The Pro and Enterprise plans offer features for team management, such as shared folders and user permissions. These tools make it easier to collaborate on automations and maintain control over who can edit or run Zaps. If your business handles sensitive data, security should be a top priority. The Enterprise plan offers advanced security features, but even the Basic and Pro plans provide secure connections and data handling. Always review Zapier's security documentation to ensure your data is protected at the level you require. The complexity of your automations will influence your plan choice. If you only need simple, single-step Zaps, the Basic plan is sufficient. For more complex workflows with multiple steps, branching, and conditions, the Pro or Enterprise plans are necessary. Consider the complexity of your processes before making a decision. Zapier provides a range of support resources, including help docs, community forums, and customer support. The level of support you receive depends on your plan. Enterprise customers get priority support, while Basic and Pro users have access to standard resources. Make sure you choose a plan that matches your support needs. Not sure which plan to choose? Zapier offers free trials and testing options, allowing you to explore features before committing. Take advantage of these trials to test your workflows, check app compatibility, and ensure the plan meets your needs. This hands-on approach can help you make a confident decision. Zapier's flexible plans mean you're never locked in. You can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time, adapting to your business needs. This flexibility is especially useful for businesses with changing workflows or seasonal demands. Here's a quick summary table to help you compare the 3 Zapier plans at a glance. We'll highlight the main features, task limits, support levels, and pricing for Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. Use this table as a reference as you make your decision. Let's clarify 2 key concepts in Zapier: Zaps and tasks. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. Each time a Zap runs and completes an action, it counts as a task. Understanding the difference helps you estimate your usage and choose the right plan. Multi-step Zaps are a powerful feature available in the Pro and Enterprise plans. Unlike single-step Zaps, which perform one action per trigger, multi-step Zaps can chain several actions together. This allows for more complex and efficient automations, saving you even more time. Premium apps are integrations with popular business tools that are only available on the Pro and Enterprise plans. If your workflow depends on these apps, you'll need to choose a higher tier plan. Always check if your required apps are considered premium before selecting a plan. Choosing the right Zapier plan depends on your unique needs, budget, and workflow complexity. Start with the Basic plan if you're new or have simple needs. Upgrade to Pro for more power and flexibility. Choose Enterprise if you require advanced security, support, and customization. Remember, you can always switch plans as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!